I think if we go back to the sensitivity one, I think there's
Yep.
a lot of evidence for that actually in the operation, even of the natural world. If we're supposing God created it,
Hmm.
it's a very sensitive system, isn't it?
Yeah, so
It's
you look
very
at the environment you're living in, it really is quite sensitive, isn't it? That's something that humans are only just starting to understand, how sensitive it actually is to our potential for damaging it, even. How sensitive it is for us living in harmony or out of harmony with it. It's quite it's quite an in tune apparatus they're finding.
just like the human body and the yeah.
Yep. If you look at the human body, we respond very sensitively to some problems and particularly emotional problems, actually.
But even we can sense a very small amount of touch or a very change, a smell,
Yep.
or a change in our atmosphere, can't we?
Yep.
So
You can touch a surface and feel almost 1 micron of, which is 1 millionth, right, of a meter change in its surface, and that shows you how sensitive you are. That's incredibly sensitive. Yeah.